Welcome back to Chachi Tech, everyone. If you're looking to boost your YouTube ad revenue this year, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll explore proven strategies to maximize your earnings through YouTube ads. So, whether you're just starting out or you've been creating content for a while, these tips will help you level up your game. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Choose the right niche. First things first, your niche matters. Did you know that some niches generate higher ad revenue than others? If you're in a tech, finance, or lifestyle niche, you're in a prime position to attract higher paying ads. For example, on Chachi Tech, our focus on technology-related content gives us access to high-paying tech ads, which can significantly boost our revenue. Other high-paying niches include health, finance, and business. Think about targeting specific tech demographics and creating content that would attract high-budget advertisers. Tip 2. Focus on audience retention. Now let's talk about audience retention, the real key to getting more ads shown in your videos. YouTube loves content that keeps viewers watching, and the more they watch, the more opportunities you have for ad impressions. Here's how you can improve retention. Grab attention early. Start your video with a hook that gets people interested right from the beginning. Maintain viewer interest. Break up your content into easy-to-digest segments and keep things exciting. Call to action. Encourage viewers to stick around until the end with a strong call to action. This could be a simple reminder to subscribe or a preview of what's coming up next. Tip 3. Unlock monetization features. Next, let's talk about monetization features. YouTube offers more ways to make money than just ad revenue. Have you set up these additional features? Super chats and super stickers. If you're doing live streams, you can earn money directly from your audience. Channel memberships. Offer perks to your loyal viewers for a monthly fee. If you have your own brand, use the merchandise shelf to sell products directly from your channel. By activating these monetization options, you increase the ways you can earn from your content. Tip 4. Maximize mid-roll ads. Let's get into one of the most effective ad types, mid-roll ads. These are ads placed in the middle of longer videos, and they work best when your video is over 8 minutes long. Here's the key. Don't just add ads randomly. Place them where they make sense and don't disrupt the flow of your content. If you're doing a tech review, for example, place a mid-roll after you discuss one product before moving on to the next. Tip 5. Longer videos equals more ad revenue. Speaking of mid-roll ads, let's talk about longer videos. Videos longer than 8 minutes give you more opportunities for ad placement. But here's the trick. Your content still needs to be valuable. Think of your audience. Do they want to watch an hour-long review on a product? Or would they prefer a detailed 10-minute video with useful insights? Keep your videos packed with value, and the longer runtime will translate into more ad impressions. Tip 6. Improve your SEO and discoverability. To maximize your earnings, your videos need to be discovered. That's where SEO comes in. YouTube is a search engine, so optimizing your videos is key to getting more views and ultimately more ad revenue. Here's what you can do. Titles. Use catchy titles with targeted keywords. Descriptions. Write detailed descriptions, including relevant keywords, links to your channel's other videos, and calls to action. Tags. Use tags related to your video's topic. Thumbnails. Create visually appealing thumbnails that stand out and increase your click-through rate. The better optimized your video is, the more likely it is to show up in searches and recommendations. Tip 7. Engage your community. Engagement is everything. If your viewers are interacting with your content, YouTube will push your videos to more people. So, how can you boost engagement? Respond to comments. Answering your viewers' questions and interacting with them in the comments section keeps the conversation going. Encourage social sharing. Ask your viewers to share your videos on social media. The more shares, the wider your reach. Create community posts. If you have access to the community tab, use it to engage with your audience and keep them coming back for more. Tip 8. Build trust and consistency. Finally, trust and consistency are essential. If you upload regularly and build a loyal following, YouTube will favor your channel. Being consistent helps you build a predictable schedule, and your viewers will know when to expect new content. Plus, YouTube's algorithm loves consistency. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope these tips help you increase your YouTube ad revenue in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all things tech here at Chachi Tech. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.